What's up, everyone? Coming to you live from Team Red Bull HQ. Today we've got the new aluminum upgraded shocks for the HBX 2995, aka Shredder. We're going to put them on and we're going to do a little bit of a drop test. So let's get to it. In the package you'll get 4 shocks and all the necessary mounting hardware. These are an official HBX upgrade part, so they are a direct bolt-on replacement. The shocks are all aluminum with aluminum caps. They're threaded for adjustment, and they have aluminum spring perches on the bottom. The dampening feels really good, and so does the rebound. Now let's get these things installed. Take off your body clips and set the body to the side. The shocks are held on with 2 screws, one on top, one on the bottom. The screws are located here and here. You'll want to remove those and the shocks will come right off. We gotta pause for a moment and admire how rad this thing looks slammed down on the ground. This thing is stanced. Let's do a quick comparison of the factory plastic friction shock and the new upgraded aluminum shock. The plastic shock is all rebound, no dampening, very bouncy. The new shock has really nice rebound, really nice dampening, just feels way smoother, way less bouncy. The new shock also looks like it's gonna give us a slight bit of lift compared to the old plastic shock. It is a little bit longer in overall length. Reinstalling the shocks is just the reverse of taking the other ones off. You've got a screw on top and a screw down on the bottom. Also ensure that your ball mounts are indexed properly with the flange facing towards the body mount on the top and the flange on the bottom facing towards the control arm. You'll notice that flange on the bottom right here. Also take care that your screws are located in the same mounting hole. There's 2 solutions on each mounting position, both on the control arm and up on the body mount. So if you run them inboard, make sure you run them inboard on all 4 corners or outboard on all 4 corners. Just be consistent. All 4 shocks are on, and man, these things look rad on here. What is it about aluminum shocks on an RC that just really steps up the look? They were all direct bolt-on, no issues, everything went smooth. I'm pretty happy with these. I'm really digging it. Now let's go do a drop test. The shocks are installed and it's performing way better. It's soaked up that 6-inch drop. No bounce, just all dampening, smooth rebound. This thing's gonna perform amazing. I can't wait to get it out and shred it, do some jumps, and soak up some whoops. This thing is just gonna be a beast. I'm already digging it, and it's gonna be way better with these new shocks. So that's it for today. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all stay rad. We'll see you next time.